Most people never run this question after they change jobs, Maya opens. Did you know your job change broke your investments? He changed jobs 3 months ago, Kai admits. New company, better salary. The automation kept running. He checked the app. Everything looked fine. The standing order was going out. The ISA was filling. He had built a system, and the system was working. He did not check the workplace pension, Kai explains. He assumed it transferred. It did not. The pension stayed with the old employer. The employer match at the new company had never been set up. And a direct debit failed because his salary date changed by 2 days. He found out 14 months later. Series 4 built the portfolio, Kai recalls. Series 5 tests whether it survives real life. Episode 27, the job change. The most common reason a perfectly built investment system silently stops. 6 life events across this series, Maya mentions. This is the one most people discover by accident. Subscribe so you have the fix before the event arrives. Back to the question. Did you know your job change broke your investments? Here is the scale of the problem. The Center for Economics and Business Research and PensionBee, 4.8 million pension pots were considered lost in the UK in 2023. The Pensions Policy Institute estimates the total value of lost and unclaimed pensions at £26 billion. The average lost pension pot, approximately £13,000. Most of it belongs to people who do not know it exists. The Government Pension Tracing Service has a database of over 200,000 pension scheme records, Nadia states. It exists because the problem is structural. The DWP confirms the average worker changes jobs approximately 11 times in their working life. Each job change creates a pension. Most are never consolidated. The system does not automatically transfer pensions. The default is dormancy. The result is £26.6 billion. Source: PensionBee and the Center for Economics and Business Research. Lost Pension Research. 2023. Every job change produces the same 2 errors in 31 years of client files, Marcus confirms. The pension is left with the old employer and the employer match is not claimed from the new one. These are separate errors. Both are corrected in a 30-minute session. Neither is corrected automatically. The question again, Marcus reframes. Did you know your job change broke your investments? Here is the version that stays with people. The portfolio looked fine, the ISA was running. The standing order was going out. Every visible indicator said the system was working. The pension, which was invisible, was not. A job change silently breaks most automated investment systems, Maya states, and the fix is a 30-minute audit run within the first week. Step 1. Find the old pension, contact the previous provider, request a transfer to a SIPP or new employer scheme. Step 2. Set up the new employer pension and confirm the match is running. Step 3. Check the direct debit date against the new salary date. Step 4. Confirm the ISA standing order is still active. 30 minutes. Once. After every job change. The wrong belief, Nadia states, my investments are automated. A job change does not affect them. The direct debit keeps running. The DWAP estimates £26.6 billion in unclaimed pension assets across the UK. This is not caused by negligence. It is caused by a system that does not automatically transfer pensions on job change, does not notify workers of dormant pots, and does not make consolidation the default. The £26.6 billion is a product of the system's architecture. The 1% detail, Nadia states. The Government Pension Tracing Service at gov.uk/find-pension contact details is free. It holds contact information for over 200,000 pension scheme administrators. You give it an employer name and approximate dates. It gives you the contact details. It takes under 5 minutes. Most people who have lost a pension have never used it. If the 14-month gap surprised you, the like is the signal. One person who just changed jobs. That is the episode doing its job. Subscribe so you never miss the next one. Next episode, did you know one invested and one didn't, and 20 years later the gap will surprise you? Most never run this comparison. Episode 28 is coming. Subscribe and you will be notified the moment it drops. 2 episodes that build on this. Episode 1, why 90% of people never build wealth. Episode 26, your mortgage is costing you £600,000. Here is the number that changes it.